Hello planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today we will continue with our memory planning in my A5 ring planner. I am currently using these inserts that is very similar to Hobonichi Cousins, and this time I'll let you guys watch it and while I listen to nice music. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy another plan with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more planning related videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends!